Okay, but now we've got some really cool ones, right? We've got the polygon, which is undefined, and you'll see I've made each one of those a little bit different, but they're all multiple sided, thus poly, right? There's not a particular number to it. And organic, which is just whatever, right? Okay, so we'll just start it off by drawing a quick guidelines right here. Okay, so what is this? This is drawing 4, right? We did drawing 2, we did drawing 3, and now we're doing drawing 4. Okay, so let's label it here. So this is drawing. Man, if I was I'm using this nice wooden pencil. If I was using a mechanical pencil, I'd have replaced 4 leads already. I'd be breaking them left and right. Anyways, this was drawing number 4. Because when I make things dark, boy, I push down. I do it like I mean it. And what does this have to do with? Well, it has to do with line. Okay. It has to do with value, how dark or light things are. And what are we really focusing on now is shape. You're going to see, because things are going to get a lot more complicated real soon, that shape is your friend. You break things down into shape. Okay, who are you? Put your last name, label everything, right? And your first name, forgot how to write my name. Okay, and then we've got period. Okay, I don't know, what are we, period 12, I don't know, period 7. We'll do period 7 and period 3. Was that what we were doing? Something like that. Okay, and then what's this? This is exercise number 4. I know they're all along the same lines, right? They're all line, value, and shape, but that's the 4th one you've done. So when they're all stapled together, I can just go through, oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, very easily. Okay, so a polygon, let's see, let's label it. Polygon, as in more than one side, polygon. Okay. And so, like I was saying, a polygon could be basically square. I mean, you could just, a square is a polygon of sorts, but it could be undefined. So you can see how, I've got one side is taller than the other. They're at different angles. They're not necessarily parallel at all. That's my polygon, nice and light. Okay. And we're going to write light. Or try and draw or write neatly. Better than I'm doing, hopefully. Okay, a polygon could have curved sides to it. So let's say, what if I did this one? This has got a curve here and maybe a curve right here. And your polygons could be totally different than mine, right? And it could have more than 4 sides. It could have an undefined number of sides there. So that's my medium. Let's make it a little bit more medium than that. Alrighty then. There we go. Okay. And then finally, a dark one. Well, that was medium. Let's write that. Okay, a dark one. So it could have a combination. So you could have, like, let's say, some straight lines, no problem. You could have some curved lines, some more straight lines, however many lines you want. And that could also be a polygon right there. Okay, I'm going to darken that up because this is dark, 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 dark. Okay, nice and dark. There we go. All right, if I make a mistake on these dark lines, I'll just have to pretend like I meant it because I'm not erasing those. These ones easy, right? Those ones, no way. Okay, and this is dark. Okay, so the next one would be organic. And so here's just my little shape right here. All right. Okay, and that's my little shape that's organic. And I'll just label this as being light. Okay. But what about a puddle? Let's say a puddle of water. And so here we go. Just any old shape. Ooh, doesn't matter, right? There's your organic shape right there. I'm going to darken that up a little bit because we want medium. Okay, and that's very medium. Okay, and how about dark? And so here's a shape that you'd probably recognize here. I got sort of a leaf shape. Now, just like the polygons, your organic shapes could be anything. That's the nice thing about them. Square, rectangle's got to be, well, square, rectangle. Circle's got to be a circle. A parallelogram better be parallel, otherwise it's not a parallelogram. But your organic shapes could be anything. So your classic sort of ficus leaf shape there, or maybe it's the shape of an eye, something like that. Okay. And once I've got my shape the way I want it, let's say I wanted to change it a little bit. I drew it lightly at first, right? Make it really easy to change. Let's say I brought it out there a little bit more. It was just fine the first time, but there it is, right? And so then once I've got it how I want it, then I can darken it. Then I can hold my pencil down here, and that is dark. Okay, nice and dark. I'm going to darken these ones up a little bit. Okay, and even here. And here. And even here. I don't think I did that on the other ones, but what the heck. As long as it's neat. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. So, and this was exercise 4. So what I'm looking for is I want three good ones from this set here. So what do we got? We got exercise 2, exercise 3, which was your triangle and your parallelogram. Make sure that it's nice parallel. And exercise 4. And those are your shapes. And those shapes are going to come in real handy, right? If you're going to do something, do it like you mean it. I want you to get something out of it. I really do. Okay. Well, that's about it for this tutorial.